So now let's start working on the second shape. This one's going to be a little more complicated in a sense, but it's still quite simple as long as you remember all of your object snaps or your O snaps. So let's begin with this one. Now the first thing we have to do is create larger circles. So we'll click on here, snap to center, and determine the center of this circle. And we have to make it fairly big. The image we were shown was a bit bigger than the first object we created, so we'll make it about there. And this shape has two more circles that we have to draw from the center here. And we were told that the distance between these two circles does not matter, so mine will be up to there. We'll do that once again. And I'm going to try to make it look as close to the other one as possible. There we go. Following this, we actually will be working with the polygon command, and it's going to be an 8-sided. So hit an 8 and then enter. Find the center, and this time it will be inscribed, so we hit enter, and we need it to be snapped. This corner here where my crosshair is has to snap onto the north quadrant here, so let's do that. Now just so we don't get confused later on, let's change this line type right now to -2, enter. Alright, following that, the next thing we have to do is a polygon, and this time it's going to be a 4-sided, so a square. We have to find the center, and this one is going to be inscribed to, again, the north here. Now we'll be doing that once again. So polygon, 4-sided is already selected. Find the center of this circle, inscribe, so hit enter, and then this time it will be to this corner here, so you have like an 8-sided star basically. And we're done with that portion. Now we need to make one more circle again, so let's go here. We need to find the center, and this one's going to go all the way to this midpoint here, or any midpoint along these lines will be okay because it will always be the same distance. So we're done with that one. The next thing we have to work again with is another square, so hit the polygon command, find the center, determine the sides, so it's 4, hit enter, find the center point, and then it's going to be inscribed, and we're lucky that we have this intersection here because now it'll be recognized. We can click to that point, and we're almost done. We need one more circle, so let's go to the circle command, let's find the center, and we're bringing it out to this square here, to this midpoint here. And now we can change this line also. We have to change it to dotted as per our assignment. Hit enter. And now I'm going to go into a line. And this one's super simple. We have to make it from up here, the north quadrant endpoint, to the southern one. So it's perfect. Now we still have the line command going, so you can see that these are lighting up differently. This right here is tangent, which means it'll create a line from this point here to a tangent point here on the circle, which means the closest that it can pass by without intercepting the circle. And that's what we have to do now. So we'll click here and we'll hit enter because we don't need the line anymore. We'll hit enter again to start up another line. Again from this point to the tangent point on this circle. Enter. Now hit enter again. We'll do this a few times to find the tangent points along here. And now we have to do the same thing from the east here to the tangent point up here. So let me finish that up. Whoops, that was a mistake. Find the tangent point, not the northern quadrant point. Enter, and that is the second shape. So you can see that it's pretty quick to work with AutoCAD once you know what you're doing. And this is actually the first class that I'm taking, so as I take more classes, every class I'll be making more videos showing how to use basic AutoCAD. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this little tutorial. Just hope you find this useful, and keep in mind your toolbars, the object snaps or the O snaps are a very useful tool in AutoCAD that you'll be using every single time you use AutoCAD. If you're not, you'll be busting your head wide open. Because the thing with the O snaps is AutoCAD is as precise as one. I can't remember exactly what. It was 1/256 of an inch. That is microscopic. You can't see that. But that's how precise this program is. If you try doing it with the naked eye, you will have errors because it will never match up exactly the same. That's why these commands are extremely useful, to make sure everything you do is extremely precise. Because if you were to measure this line here across, AutoCAD will tell you exactly how long it is. If you did it with the naked eye, you will have an error, so you always have to keep these in mind. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it was very useful. Hopefully you like these videos. I will continue posting up more, so I would really appreciate if you were to subscribe, like, and comment, and I will be back with another video very soon. Bye.